Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the accident and animal detection system. So in that project user have to upload any video and the model will recognize object like car or animal. Okay, and it will identify that there is a cow, sheep, and it will also recognize they collide with the car or vehicle. Okay, so let's copy this path of the input video and click on the video and just copy the path and paste here. Okay, so it will open the video, input video, and it works and it will recognize like there is a particular animal or vehicle. Okay, if they collide then it will send an alert message to that registration mobile number. So it works on the image and video both, and the project developed using Python programming language, and user interface is designed from Tkinter. Okay, so this is the whole video. We are giving the input and it will process, and at the end it will give the output video. Car came from the front side. The video is bit large, so it will take time. Like in the video it will count frame by frame. Like it is considered the car. Now the dog came from the right hand side and it will collide with the car. Now it will identify as a car. Okay, and dog came from the right hand side. Like you can see the dog is coming. It will identify the dog. The model will identify that this is a dog, and the car strike with that particular dog. Now it will collide. It will give the beep sound when they collide. Okay, it will identify the car as well as dog. Okay, it works on the image and video both, and this is the complete project. If you are in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Or if you're searching any type of project, then you can contact us. I will provide the contact link in description. Okay, and you can also visit our website www.techieprojects.com. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.